What's up YouTube, BMR here, and tonight I'm getting my PN racing case ready for international travel. So my wife and I are going to be celebrating our 1 year anniversary. So anyways, we're traveling to the Netherlands, specifically Amsterdam. So I'll be there for 10 days and I've decided to take my Mini Z with me. So anyways, since I'm traveling internationally, I'm going to keep it as a carry-on, but I still want to make sure that my car is as protected as possible, just make sure it's as safe as possible. So anyways, I've decided to go ahead and reinforce my PN racing case with a little bit of pluck and pull film. This was from a Plano case, I believe is how you pronounce it. Anyways, just any brand of pick and pull foam will work. But what I've done is I've gone into my case and I've basically shimmed my car in there perfectly. So there's really no, So there's really no wobble at all in the case when the car's in the case. So I haven't glued this down yet since I just started doing this, and I decided I'd talk about it on camera with you guys. But I wanted to let you know that I have the car really loosely, it's snug in here, but it's not overly snug. So let me see if I can get it to, that's the part I was talking about. So see, I can pull the car up without completely moving all these, but these are all completely loose. So anyways, what I'm trying to get at is that the car is really snug inside this case. So it won't be rolling or shifting when I'm traveling, and also it's not so tight with the foam that I'm going to be rubbing the paint off of the car. And it's also, while it's traveling, it's not going to be vibrating and jiggling. It's not going to be rubbing the paint at all. It's just going to be sitting super snug in here. So anyways, my game plan for this is to go ahead and use some super glue I got from the local hardware store. I have some test foam. I'm going to see if it melts the foam. Hopefully it doesn't melt the foam, and if it doesn't, I'm going to go ahead and glue all these foam pieces in place, including this guy. I'm going to put these all in place, and I'm going to try to make sure it's all nice and secure, and if not, I'll just travel with it this time, probably with these pieces loose. It's not going to make any difference, but it'd just be nice to have it permanently secured in there. So anyways, I also made sure to leave space for my rear view mirrors, just to make sure that those don't get knocked off. And like I said, I want to protect my body as much as possible while traveling. So just putting this in here, it makes it so the car doesn't rattle. I mean, you can't hear anything on camera. I mean, you can't hear anything on the mic, and as you can see, the car doesn't shift around at all. But like I said, the foam isn't so tight that it's going to be rubbing the paint every single time I take it in and out. As long as I'm careful with it, the car will be really snug and it'll work well. So anyways, I'm going to test real quick, see if the super glue melts the foam, and I'll let you guys know what happens. Alright, so luckily the foam did not get melted by the super glue, so I went ahead and secured all these pieces into place. So as you can see, nothing slides around, and I'm able to just take the car, gently drop it right on in there, and everything will stay nice and snug, nice and secure. My rear view mirrors are not in danger of getting knocked off, and like I said, there's no shake, no vibration. I can still close the case, and it's ready to go. I'm just going to be probably tossing rubber band around it like this, just so it doesn't pop open at any point, and that'll be it. So I'll be traveling with this, so hopefully I don't have any issues getting through customs or anything like that. I mean, I don't think I will, but anyways, so if you guys are going to be traveling with your Mini Z, or you just want to secure your box more, I would suggest going ahead and just custom fitting some foam in there. Like I said, I just used some pluck and pull. I cut these pieces to shape. This is a full-size piece, and it's pretty much, now it's going to be only for S13 bodies, but I mean, you can just get a bunch of these little cases, they're pretty cheap, and just have one for every different style of body. And when you want to transport your car, you can go ahead and lock it up in this. So I'm super excited to take this car with me. I'm really excited for the trip, and now I'm pumped to have the car secured and ready to pack, ready to get it packed away. So this is one of my final pieces, so I'm going to get this packed away tonight, try to get this video released tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'll be getting on the plane and taking off. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video, hope you guys have a great night, and anyways, see you in the next video.